What's up? What's up, my friend? How are you doing today? David Lemerell here. How would you like to make the most out of your tax return this year in 2020? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tips, 10, on how to maximize your tax return this year. So first off, have you filed your taxes yet? I haven't. I'll be honest with you. I haven't filed it yet. I need to get on that, slacker. But yeah, have you filed your taxes yet? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet, this actually might help you get the most out of your tax return that you haven't otherwise thought of. Now, I have to preface this video by saying that I am not a tax expert, so please do not come to me with your tax questions. I'm just going to refer you to your local tax expert or to Google. Okay, so basically just take notes on these 10 tips and go and do your own research on them and make the best decision for yourself, okay? And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my secret weapon to make sure that I don't lose out on about an average of $400 a month simply on my taxes, okay, by having this one thing, all right? So you're going to want to stick with me to the end of this video. So let's dive into it. Number one, by the way, some of these are kind of duh tips, but some of these, because I did some research, and some of these are actual things that I didn't think of myself either. So you'll kind of figure out which ones are which. But number one, don't leave any money on the table. Okay, duh, right? But don't forget. Now here's the part that I didn't think of. Don't forget to use all of your flexible spending account dollars. So some of you have an FSA account where money gets taken out of your bank or out of your paycheck, or maybe your job actually takes and they match or they put some of that money into an FSA account where you can actually spend that money on medical things. So be sure and spend that before the year is over. That way you don't miss out on any of that money that you could be using. Also insurance type things. So there's that. So don't leave any money on the table whenever the end of the year comes. Number two, claim all available deductions, including charitable donations, okay? Dig into all these deductions available to you, and some are more common. Common donations include charitable donations, medical costs, prepaid interest on mortgage and education expenses. And by the way, if you want the original article where I got these tips from, then just reach out to me and let me know. I'll be sure and send it over to you so you can read the full article for yourself. So some of these deductions are subtracted from your adjusted gross income, which lowers your actual taxable income. Your taxable income is the amount that you pay taxes on. So the lower it is, the less tax that you pay and the higher your refund that you might get back, all right? So just so you know, that's a little bit of groundwork on how taxes work, okay? Number three, claim those non-refundable credits also. So non-refundable credits, here's one that I didn't really realize. Non-refundable tax credits also reduce the amount of tax that you owe, but it stops whenever it reaches zero. So basically, the non-refundable tax credits reduce the amount that you owe, but it won't get you any money back more than zero, right? So if you're in the negative, then it'll just help get you closer to zero, okay? So look that one up. That one was kind of confusing to me at first, but go look it up yourself, do some research on it. Number four, don't be greedy. So I thought this was funny, but it totally makes sense. It's easy to get caught up in minimizing your taxes, that you start to make poor decisions, right? You start searching for the cheapest tax professional in your area, and they may be too aggressive or too willing to cut corners on filing your taxes, which is not a risk that is worth taking. So just be careful with that type of stuff. And if you are claiming a home office, make sure that you stay up to date on the current rules that truly apply for that deduction, okay? Number five, here's another duh one. Use the best filing status. So if you're married, check both filings, married and single, or whatever's best for you, okay? If you're married, you should file married. I think that's going to get you the most back anyways. Number 6, report all your income. Number 7, meet the deadline, which is April 15th. It's because there is a penalty to file after if you miss it, right? So the failure to file penalty is about 5% of your unpaid tax balance each month. Your return is late. And worse, if you fail to file and were owed a refund, you'll pay penalties still. So don't be late, right? April 15th, got to get on it. Number 8, check your math. A dull one, okay? Number 9, check your spelling. Make sure that you don't get your money later if you misspelled your name or your address or anything like that. Number 10, check your bank account details. And those are the 10 tips here from this article. If you want the article, reach out to me, let me know. I'll send it to you. Now here is my bonus, my secret weapon to making sure that I don't lose out on an average of $400 a month. And here's how you can make sure that you don't lose an extra $400 a month as well that you may not be aware of, that you probably don't even know that you're losing out on. So here it is. Start a home-based business. Simple as that, all right? Now, if you want 18 home business ideas that you can start today, simply reach out to me and let me know, and I will send you over an article I found by a company that I trust. And they actually go over 18 great, really good, really simple home business ideas that you can start writing things off on in your taxes and also make more money on the side as well too. So I hope that this video helped you. Leave some comments if you have any questions. Let me know if you have filed your taxes. And let's see here. Yeah, that's it. All right. Let me know if you want any of these resources, and I'll send them over to you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.